Hello, this is Ari with Modern Telecom, here to show you how to use your new i53 intercoms by Fanvil. So you can receive intercom calls from door stations such as these. When the doorbell rings, you can then answer. From any of the screens by pressing the green button. This button here is used to unlock the door. After unlocking the door, the device will disconnect by itself. You can then call back to an intercom station if you'd like by pressing one of the speed dials here for example, front door or back door. Pushing this will immediately connect you to the intercom, where you can then use the unlock button to unlock the door if you'd like. If you don't want to unlock the door, just push the red hang-up button, and that disconnects the call without unlocking the door. You do have two-way audio communication, but if I demonstrate that, we'll hear a lot of feedback. You can use the additional speed dial buttons that are on the screen to call other departments. For example, the reception phone will actually ring another phone in the organization, which can then be answered, and you can communicate with the door stations, or with the screens. To reach an outside line to actually dial any outbound number, you can push the line button, and then you can dial any 10-digit number from here, and that'll complete the call. You can also do entire office paging from these screens by pushing the page button. This is a page, testing 1, 2, 3.
This is a page, testing 1, 2, 3.
If you're in a meeting and don't want to be disturbed, or having this screen, for example, ring when somebody's at the door, you can push your Do Not Disturb button. That will now just mute this particular screen, but the other screens will continue to ring. So this is the only one that's not ringing because it's on Do Not Disturb. To return this screen back to normal use, you turn off Do Not Disturb. All right, some other buttons down here just to let you know. If you're, for example, in the contact screen and you want to get out of this screen, you can push this as the back button. That returns you back to the home screen. If you want to unlock the door, you push this, but you have to first be on the call first, so you have to select the door. Then you can unlock the door. If you want to place an outbound call, you can either press this line button, or this right here will get you to an outside line. You could then dial any extension in the organization from here. For example, extension 113, dial, will dial another phone. We have a company directory feature that you can use to access all the other names and extensions in the organization by going into Contacts, then LDAP, and Address Book. It'll download the recent address book, where you can then go up and down the list to select other phones in the organization. Do not use your finger to scroll up and down this list. The first thing that you touch will end up dialing that extension. So you have to use the up and down arrows here to find out what you. And then when you tap it, that's going to dial that extension. So for example, there, now it dials that extension. All right, when you're in a call, I'll just demonstrate by getting to hear the reception phone. All right, your volume dial is right here. So this will increase the volume, that'll decrease the volume. All right, thanks for watching.